a healthier, lower calorie, high protein quesadilla. When are you guys coming through? This is the Southwestern Chicken Quesadilla. Come on. Guys, are you craving Taco Bell? But summer's around the corner and all you want is a dang quesadilla. Well, today, my friends, I got you. Because we're going to make a healthier, low carb, high protein quesadilla. So, you ready to eat the foods you love and still get the results? Then come on, we out. What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Fa Sho. You know how we do. Guys, it's been a while since I've done a healthy recipe video, and I know none of you guys asked for one, but I'm gonna do it anyways, because I feel it's my duty as your fitness coach to show you guys my secret hacks so you can still eat the foods you love and still get results. Because after all, this is a fitness channel and summer's around the corner. Like I mentioned, this is a fitness channel, so I gotta show you how you can eat like this and still lose weight by going over my 4 rules. The first rule is to follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of my calories come from whole foods, which means lean meats, fruits, and veggies. And 20% of my calories come from foods just like this. My second rule is we won't skip our training, we won't skip our workout, we won't skip our cardio. I personally like to go in the morning and get out of the way, but you can go anytime you like as long as it fits you and your schedule. And the third rule is we eat our managed calories or below. So when you eat our managed calories, you don't gain weight, you don't lose weight. If you're above your managed calories, you gain weight. If you're below it, you lose weight. But hey, what if you don't know your managed calories? Well, my friend, lucky for you, I have a free calorie calculator. Just go to BRINGTHESHREDS.com/tools. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Just type in your info and you'll be good to go. And the fourth and final rule is we won't drink our calories on this channel. Unless it's vodka. Alright, like I mentioned, this is going to be a healthier, lower calorie, high protein quesadilla. So first and foremost, let's go over the ingredients. So what I like to use is the tortillas, and this one's called La Tortilla Factory. But you gotta get the low carb flour tortillas. So I remember there was a taco size, like a street taco size, and this like a regular taco size. So the street taco size was like 45 calories. One of these is 70 calories. 2 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein. Next, you can't have a chicken quesadilla without chicken. So I got 2 of these right here. I think when I was at the grocery store, it was buy one get one free. So I was like, oh man, you know I gotta do this. So this one right here is the classic, and then this one right here is the Southwestern seasoned. So depending on your style, your taste, your preference, they have both similar macros. 100 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 17 grams of protein. Next, what else is included in quesadilla? Cheese, of course. But today we don't have any type of cheese. We have fat-free mozzarella cheese. So I know some grocery stores, they don't have fat-free, so get the lower calorie cheese. They used to have fat-free cheddar cheese where I used to live, but for some reason it got discontinued. That made me really sad because I also use that for pizza. But hey, mozzarella cheese is also all good, especially for a quesadilla, right? So this one per serving is 45 calories, 0 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein. Oh baby. So those are the base rules, right? Next is optional, but what I like to do is have condiments, right? You gotta dip into something. So if you guys know me, I love sour cream, but it can be a little bit high in fat, right? So I use a substitute. And today we have Fage non-fat Greek yogurt. It's pronounced Fage, not Phage. So guys, before you make a weird face like, oh, Greek yogurt, guys, it tastes exactly like sour cream. But this one per serving is 80 calories, 0 grams of fat, all good, 5 grams of carbs, and 16 grams of protein, bodybuilder style. Next, we have the guac in the fridge section. This one is spicy, because you guys know I love my food spicy. And then for this one, per serving is 40 calories, 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. But hey, not bad, right? 40 grams per serving for guac? Think about it. Last but not least, we have the pico de gallo. This one doesn't have any nutrition facts on it, but it's basically what? Onions, tomatoes, cilantro. So, you know this is low calories as well. So those are the main ingredients. And just to let you guys know, I'm not a professional chef, even though I do have this apron on. But with that being said, let's go to the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen right now, and I like to use this Pam spray, 0 calories. I don't think you really need it, but I like to use it, so. And I'm trying to record with one hand and spray at the same time. It's kind of hard, not gonna lie. Anyways, so the pan's on medium heat. Oh, there's my finger. Sorry, it's my first time. Anyways, you put the tortilla on top. And then get some of this chicken right here. So I end up using half of each. I mentioned it later, but just letting you know right now. Just put it on like so. Yep. Gotta get that protein in. And then put some of that fat-free cheese on top. Because you know how we do. Extra protein, you know what I'm saying? And then put the lid on top, let the cheese melt, let the tortilla get that crisp, heat up the chicken, and then after a couple minutes, you don't want to wait too long because you don't want to burn the tortilla. And then yeah, just flip it over. Quesadilla, tortilla. You know what I mean. Anyways, and that's it. Peace. And we are back. So the quesadillas are now cooked. So I basically used half the ingredients for all of them. So the tortillas came in 8, I used 4. I used half the chicken each, the classic and the Southwest, half the fat-free cheese. And now let's put on the condiments. So again guys, the sour cream alternative, Greek yogurt, don't knock it till you try it. Made with milk from non-GMO fed cows, if you care about that stuff. And the spicy guac, only 40 calories per serving, you know how we do. Man, they hook you up too, there's a lot of guac. And last but not least, the pico de gallo. Oh baby. So I'm on the Taco Bell app right now, and for a chicken quesadilla, it's $5.99 in California. And theirs is 520 calories. Oh man, that's a lot. So you guys see what I did here, right? Again, I ain't no chef, so all I did was switch out the regular ingredients for a lower calorie, higher protein, lower fat alternative. You know what I'm saying? Guys, it's not that hard, but again, I got you. And theirs is 26 grams of fat, 41 grams of carbs, and 26 grams of protein. I mean, hey, not bad. But is it like this? I don't think so. But enough talking, let's grab one and see what it tastes like. All right, let's start off with the regular one, the classic. So again, this is what it looks like. So you guys see I used the Pam spray. I don't know if you have to use it or not. I like to, but if it's not your thing, I don't think you need it. Let's grab some of the sour cream alternative, the Greek yogurt. Let's put it on like so. Oh baby. And the guac. Oh yo. And of course, you know, you gotta get the pico de gallo. Sprinkle it on like so. Oh baby. Guys, my mouth is watering. Oh man. A healthier, lower calorie, high protein quesadilla. When are you guys coming through? Guys, don't cheat on your girlfriends. Cheat on your diet instead. Come on. Oh man. It basically tastes like the same thing. Oh, and if you go to Taco Bell, you ask for a side of guac, you ask for a side of sour cream. Not only is it higher in calories, but also you have to pay more, right? You see what I'm saying? And guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say this didn't cost me much. I mean, it did, but look how much more you get, you know what I'm saying? Like $5.99 for a single quesadilla. I mean, they're a little bigger, but still, if you want 2 or 3, it adds up, right? When you make your own at home, you can eat as much or as little as you want. And like I mentioned, I only used half the ingredients, so I'm able to eat the other half tomorrow. It's a win-win. Guys, I am addicted to this, because it's like, it's all protein, right? You got the protein from the chicken, the protein from the tortilla, the protein from the cheese, the protein from the quote-unquote sour cream, aka Greek yogurt, a little bit from the guac, and none from the pico de gallo, but it's all just like I said, cilantro, green peppers, tomatoes, so it's super low calories, super full in flavor. Look at this, guys. Oh man, come on. Guys, I only ate just one already. It's already pretty filling, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm a grown man. I need some more. But before we move on to the Southwestern Season 1, I need something to wash this down with. And you know, Taco Bell does have Mountain Dew. But hey, I'm not here just to save you guys calories. I'm here to save you guys money as well. So today I have Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 everything. Not sponsored. My cat, she's sleeping. You can't go wrong with homemade chicken quesadillas and Mountain Dew, Diet Mountain Dew, 0 sugar Mountain Dew. Am I right? Wow, that was really good. But let's move on to the next one. So this one right here, you can see the seasoning, the Southwestern one. Oh man. I bet this one's gonna taste similar, but different because it's different seasoning. Anyways, guys, let's put on the sour cream alternative, the guac, spicy guac. I'll be honest with you guys, it's not that spicy. You guys know me, I love food with a kick. And I can taste a little bit of spice, but not overbearing, because I know some of you guys don't like spice. And guys, here you guys go. This is the Southwestern chicken quesadilla. Come on, let's do this, guys. Oh yeah, you definitely can taste the Southwestern seasoning in this one, but because of the similar ingredients with the guac, the sour cream, all that, it kind of tastes the same as the regular one. But I do feel like the Southwestern one does have a little bit more kick to it. So I'll say this, if you're not a fan of spicy, go for the classic. If you do want a little kick, not too overbearing though, get the Southwestern. But guys, really good. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are willing to try something like this. Again guys, I'm not a chef. I just like to make healthier recipe alternatives. And it's pretty simple, right? You basically just gotta throw things together. Not much cooking involved. You know what I'm saying? But let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, these kind of recipes, healthy alternatives. I do love making them. The only problem is some of them do cost a lot of money because I have to buy the ingredients individually, you know what I'm saying? And as of right now, YouTube's not paying me. All this money's coming straight out of my pocket. But hey, I do it for you guys. Because at the end of the day, I just want to show you guys, just because you want to lose weight doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the foods you love, find healthy alternatives, track your calories, your macronutrients, all that good stuff. And again, at the end of the day, it's all about consistency, right? Let's get another one of these classics. And yeah, I met a lot of people in my life where they want to lose weight, so they go on these restrictive diets. I met a lot of people actually that went on keto. And I'm not saying that didn't work, because it did. But at the end of the day, stick to something that you enjoy and stick to something that you can see yourself doing for a long period of time, right? I remember one person I met in college, he thought meat made him fat, so he became a vegetarian. And it wasn't because of like animal rights issues or anything like that, because that's a different story. It's because he thought meat made him fat, so he gave up meat to lose weight. So you have one person that does keto, eating only meat to lose weight, and you have another person that's vegetarian to lose weight. And that's kind of like, how can both of those be right? So yes guys, my method does take some sacrifice, some kind of work. You have to look up the ingredients, you have to track it, you have to put it in MyFitnessPal. So it does take work, but look, I'm eating the foods I love still, right? And I'm still getting the results I want. So again, up to you guys. If you guys want to try my method, it's been working for me for the longest time, over 10 years. But hey, if you want to do keto, if you want to do paleo or whatever other diets are out there, that's up to you. At the end of the day, it's all about consistency. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Again guys, if you enjoyed these kind of videos, let me know down below. Customized 7-day meal plans are now available. Eat the foods you love and still get results. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Bring the Shreds. We're all about moderation, not deprivation. Because hey, life is too short for brown rice, chicken breast, and broccoli all day. Am I right? Don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.